Brian, great to have you back. Obviously, inventory is the lead here this morning. Does it deserve to be?
Well, look, good morning. This was, I think, an absolutely fantastic report from Nike. And what it shows is, and this is what I think is why the stock is bouncing so significantly today, is that despite the macro concerns, despite the challenges out there, Nike is very much in control. We're seeing still very strong, very solid consumer demand for Nike's products across its brands, across geographies. And then, like you mentioned, Carl, Nike is successfully working down these excess inventories with really little, if any, disruption to the company's core business. So I think it's really a very solid report from the company last night.
China up 6. What were you looking for?
Down basically. The return to positive growth in China is a positive surprise and a good one. And in comments management made on its conference call last night regarding China suggests that this is just the beginning. That the brand remains very strong in China, and we expect that as these disruptions in that market abate, hopefully soon, you'll see even stronger sales growth from Nike in China.
What about digital? I think they grew 34%. Is there still a great opportunity for them? And, how did that compare to what you were expecting?
Yeah, so that was above our expectations as well. And yeah, I think the more important point is, Nike is now, we write a lot this to our clients. Nike is a technology company. It's a digitally driven brand. And I think that digital backbone, what the company has built out over the last several years, is really one of the key factors in allowing Nike to navigate this more challenged backdrop so successfully. If nothing else, they know their consumers much better now. They know where to clear product. They know where to continue to innovate product. And that's what's driving these sales, and with minimal disruption as they clear these excess inventories.
Yeah, to what percent does that become, of sales over time does that become, in your opinion? And again, you talk about that direct connection. Give me some more sense, Brian, as to what that enables them to do, perhaps, that they weren't able to do previously before they sort of had that direct connection with their customer.
Yeah, so actually there's questions kind of in reverse order. But they know their customers better now. Nike knows who's buying what when. And so when they want to move a product, they know how to speak, so to say, to those customers. I think they've also gotten significantly smarter with how they manage wholesale. So other companies I follow and I like a lot, Dick's Sporting Goods, Academy Sports, two really high-quality retailers, which are now much stronger partners with Nike. And the digital connections there are allowing Nike then to use those partners better to clear product as well. As far as where this penetration goes, I think it's going. It's obviously going up. It wouldn't surprise me over time. If you see, digital 70% of Nike sales. Something significantly higher than today. And that's still going to be driven. I just want to make the point. This is still very. The physical touch points are important, whether they're in Nike stores, wholesale partners, but you're also seeing more business being done digitally too, and it all works together in this omni-channel type format.